Hey everyone, it's Melissa, and I actually wanted to unbox this Peachy cheap planner deal that's going to be going live today. So this is what comes in the package, and in it are 3 dies. I haven't opened it yet, but I can just see. So it actually has on there what designs come in it. And it comes with this, which I'm thinking will be perfect if I am cropping out any memory planner photos. And then this one with a little bow, and then this one as well that says washi. Now I'm actually going to use these dies right away, and I have some acetate. These are the thicker variety, and I'm just going to cut out some shapes. The washi I'm thinking I might use for Go Wild as part of my table mate gifts as well as swaps. And then the other I might use, I'm going to cut it out like this, and then I'll be able to stick a photo right in here. I think that'll look really cute. And yeah, let me just go ahead and get started. So this is my Big Shot. This is a die cutting machine. So it's a Sizzix made. So I'm going to be using this multi-purpose platform. Put the cutting mat down. Then I'll put what I'm cutting and then the die right over it. And just going to kind of position it how I would like it to be cut out, like that. And I'm going to go ahead and create what's called a sandwich. Then I'm going to run it and then okay, that sounded far more dramatic than it needed to sound. And that should cut out this piece of acetate, yeah, like that. Just dust off the edges. And there's the little design along the side, and whatever other types of acetate you want to use, that's how you cut it out. So I'm just using some washi, or sorry, some vellum that I have to actually die cut these shapes out. So I have my cutting platform, my little cutting machine, and I just turn it. And then a nice thing to do is to go back over it and go backwards, just to make sure you have a really good cut. And this is what comes out. So this is so pretty. You could layer a photo over that. Or if you cut this out using cardstock, you could use this as kind of washi samples. So just really, really pretty dies. I love it with vellum. So I'm just going to cut out a few more samples using this. Some cardstock for a change, as well as some scrapbooking paper. So cute. And there's some scrapbook paper. So cute. And the washi strip with some cardstock. And on some scrapbook paper. So this is just some of the ways that you can use today's Peachy cheap deal to make with these dies. So this one, I envision you could layer something onto it, a photo, maybe use that in your TN or a memory planner. This one will be perfect for some washi samples for Go Wild. I like the look of it. Maybe I can even glue 2 of these together. And then one will have be pattern and the other one not. Just layered on top of each other. Same thing with this. So cute. And then this one, although it seems basic, will actually be really useful in terms of memory planning. You could potentially cut out a photo, or with this you could layer a photo on top of it. Love the acetate look. And then the vellum obviously is so beautiful and dainty, just so pretty. It looks really delicate this way. Yes. So make sure you hop on to Peachy Cheap to pick up this deal today. This is what you get. I'll have all of the links below, and this is just a sampling of all of the things that you could create with the dies. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. And to not miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it.